Welcome to No Se Habla Taxes, the podcast where a CPA does her own bookkeeping, spills all the beans, and counts them. I'm Melissa Armstrong, a fractional controller, solo practice owner, and financial translator for founders who'd rather scrub a toilet than reconcile a bank statement. And today, I'm confessing something that would make most CPAs clutch their pearls. So I did it. I used my business card for personal expenses multiple times. It started off innocent. One quick Target run. I had my business card in my wallet and I thought, I'll just fix it later. Then it was an Amazon order, but my personal Prime account is the one logged in. Then DoorDash because I was, working late and feeding myself is kind of a business expense, right? Plot twist, it is not, my friend. At one point, I was reviewing my books like a forensic accountant, trying to solve a mystery. Did I buy that cat tree for the office or for the cat? Was that Uber ride for a client meeting or Sunday brunch? The receipts were silent, but my shame was very loud. Now, if you're thinking, what's the big deal? I'll just categorize it properly later. Oh, friend, I have news for you. Let me walk you through the ways this can turn into a full blown mess. When you mix personal and business expenses, you blur the lines for the IRS, and that can trigger audits. You muddy your financial data so your P&L is lying to you. You risk piercing the corporate veil, especially if you're an LLC or an S corp. That protection, it depends on you treating your business like a business. And look, I'm not saying this as someone wagging a finger from the ivory tower of CPA land. I'm saying it because I have done it. I cleaned it up. And now I aggressively separate my money like I'm Marie Kondoing my transactions. Okay, so now let's talk about how to fix it. No shame, just steps. Number 1, stop the bleeding. If you only have one card in your wallet and it says business, just take it out. It should not be there. Get yourself a dedicated personal method of payment and do not mix them up, even when you're thinking, oh, it's just this once. Step 2, review your books. Look at your last 30 to 60 days. Flag every personal expense that was run through your business account. If it says Sephora and you don't sell skincare, let me tell you, my friend, that one has got to go. Number 3, or step 3, reimburse the business. Write a freaking check or ACH the money. Transfer the funds for the total amount of your personal expenses and document it very clearly. Step 4, add memos in your accounting system. Just leave little bits of notes explaining what happened. It will help your tax accountant and it'll also help future you. Step 5, put systems in place. So create clear rules. What is a big business expense? Who has access to the credit cards? Do you need a monthly sweep to double check things? If you're using it at Sephora, it sounds like you do. This is just not cleanup. It's, prevention so that you can stay accountable and create good habits. So here's the real talk. Mixing your personal and business funds does not make you a bad founder. Plenty of people have been there, so have I. It just makes you human, especially in those very early scrappy stages. But keeping things clean makes you a better leader. It makes your numbers more trustworthy, it makes your life easier at tax time, and it gives you the clarity to make decisions that actually grow your business, like whether you can afford that hire or if you need to pause that subscription you forgot you signed up for in 2022. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be honest and willing to clean it up. If you have been using your business card like a multi tool, buying dinner, cat food, and domain renewals all on the same tab, this is your sign to separate church and state like God meant it to be. And if you want more real talk like this, short episodes packed with practical tips, behind the scenes bookkeeping drama, and the occasional financial plot twist, subscribe to this podcast. I've also got a coaching program launching this fall for solopreneurs who are DIYing their books and ready to stop the chaos. You don't need to be a finance expert, you just need to be ready to stop pretending it'll magically fix itself. Follow me for updates. And in the meantime, check your transactions, pick 3 from the last month that you're not sure about, categorize them, clean them up, breathe easier. And if one of them is from Sephora, just know that you're not alone. Best to you and abundant cash flow, my friend. See ya.